You might need a passport for this one. It's international. Jay Holiday.
And we got a special guest.
And guess who? Boss.
You know, sometimes ladies, they move too fast and they choose the wrong one.
Yeah.
But if you like me,
Right.
you just might take yours back.
I'm with that.
It might be possession.
Believe that.
Yeah.
Talk to me on
By
that.
the way that you scream my name, I thought that you ain't been claimed. Now you up in here with that flame, looking like you chose the wrong lover.
That's the wrong dude over
And
there,
I can
baby.
tell that you feel the same. You see me, your expression changed.
Yeah.
And I don't wanna reproach or disrespect, so I text you, I gotta have you tonight. So let's do it again. Meet me at the spot so we could dot. Say alright. She hit me back like 3